I'll show you exactly how to check which devices are currently logged into your Facebook account and how to remove any suspicious access immediately. So someone could be logged into your Facebook account right now without you knowing, and I'll show you the simple steps of checking that and removing those unknown devices. Step number 1 is to open the Facebook mobile app, and then you're going to navigate over to the menu section at the bottom right, because we're looking for this settings icon that's at the top right. This is going to open the Facebook mobile settings page, which is just what we need. The next step is to click on this See More in Account Center, and after that, let's open the password and security page. Here is the Where You're Logged In button, which is what we are looking for. Now select the Facebook profile if you have more than one, but I only have this one, and you will be able to see all of the different devices on which you are logged into with this specific Facebook account. If you see a device which you don't recognize on this list, then tap on Select Devices to log out. Check that device, and then log out. This will log you out from that device, but keep in mind that it's a good idea for you to change your Facebook password if you had a device which you didn't recognize on this list.